ใช่ใช่สั่งเหมือนเดิมนะครับใช่ข้าวหน้าหมูกรอบไข่ดาวใช่ไข่ดาวไม่สุกแล้วก็ไม่เป็ดไม่ใส่เค็มวันนี้สวยนะGuys, nandito ko ngayon sa isang favorite na Thai restaurant ko dito sa mas malapit na apartment ko, guys. Kopong daw. I just don't understand what the name of the Thai restaurant. Yeah, ใช่สั่งเหมือนเดิมนะครับใช่ข้าวหน้าหมูกรอบไข่ดาวใช่ไข่ดาวไม่สุกแล้วก็ไม่เป็ดไม่ใส่เค็มวันนี้สวยนะaking friendship dito. Regular customer nila ako dito, guys, sa restaurant na to. So yan, kakain tayo ulit ng Thai dinner. Favorite Thai dish ko, guys, kanamukrok. Yeah, in English it's stir-fried kale with crispy pork. So you have to try this one, guys. Lagi akong kumakain dito, guys. Ito yung itsura ng kanilang restaurant. Hindi masyadong kagandahan, pero yung lasa ng Thai pasok sa banga. Ano lang to, sa gilid ng highway ng Kata area, Kata Beach. And they closed their restaurant around 4 a.m. Madaling araw. Bali, ang dami nilang mga iba-ibang mga bentang Thai food, guys. Pad Krapao, Pad Payawan, Khao Pad fried rice, Keung Keng Gai means to say it's fried chili paste chicken. And ano pa? Lako, may alay bang. Ani alaya? My friend. Radna. Chame, chai Radna. Favorite dish ko din yan, Radna dish. Radna soup. Siya may soup maya. Yeah. Radna noodles. Masarap din yan, guys. May alay tukyang. Ani alay ah. Yeah, pad thai gung yan. Pad thai. Fried sauce, yeah. Pad pak ruam say naman hoy. Mi popya pak fried spring roll. แล้วก็มีอะไรบ้างข้าวผัดสับปะรดโอ้อันนี้มาแล้วช่างมาแล้วมาแล้วมาแล้วโอ้ดูน่ากินจัง guys, favorite ko to pad kana mu krop at cow. Try nyo to, guys, pag nandito kayo sa Thailand. Kana, di ba? Ang daming serving, oh. Sobrang dami ng serving. Alam nyo na pag regular customer, yan, dami. Pag regular customer ka dito, tsaka friendship mo sila, yan, daming ng serving. Sobrang dadamihan na ng serving. Ganun talaga dito sa Thailand. Dapat maging mabait ka sa kanila. Diba, guys? Yan. Alam nyo na hindi natin bansa to. Pero you have to be, talagang ganyan talaga. Kailangan talagang you have to be kind with everyone. Oh, may namsup duway na. Yan, binigyan pa ako ng namsup. Ano yung namsup, alaya, friend? Muna? Yan, namsup mu. Yan. Usually yan, guys, pag nandito ka sa Thai restaurant, yan, may kasama laging soup. Namsup. Ibig sabihin, water soup, something like that. Nam is water. At saka may tubig na rin sila. May mikadat. May mikadat tissue, ah. Friend. Ayun siya. Kadat tissue. Mag-isa lang siyang staff. Dami, di ba? Sobrang dami. Ayan guys. Favorite ko talaga ang Thai food as is. Sobra. Makakaano pa yan. O-order pa tayo ng extra rice. Hindi pa ako kumain ng lunch guys. Tsaka breakfast. Gawa nga nang nagpariban tayo. Ayun. Aloy na? May kasama pang fried egg. In Thai word, fried egg, kai dao. Ayan. Kai dao. Tapos kale, kana. And rice, in Thai word, it's khao suwai. Tapos guys, tignan nyo. Pag nag-order ka ng ng Thai food, meron cucumber. Meron silang cucumber lagi na kasama. In Thai word, cucumber, teng kwa. Crispy pork. Pork in Thai word, mu. Sarap. How to say masarap in Thai word means you can say it aroy mak. Yan. Sobrang sarap. Aroy mak mak. Aloy na? Aroy mak. So you have to praise the Thai chef also pag sobrang sarap yung mga nakakain ng mga Thai food. Para naman sila, diba, kahit paano ma-motivate sila. Ang in-order kong fried egg, hindi siya masyadong luto. Ang sinabi ko, kai daw may soup. May gulay pa rin. So, the gulay-gulay, very healthy. Dito sa aking apartment guys, ang daming mga Thai restaurant na malapit sa aking apartment. So anytime, kahit anong oras pwede kang kumain ng Thai food. Dati nagluluto ako ng sarili kong type ng food. Pero kasi sobrang pagod sa work, wala nang time, kain na lang sa labas. Harap. In fairness, hindi siya maalat ngayon. Ayan. Yung soup nila is siya, bean sprout soup. Sabi niya may pork soup, wala namang pork. Pero may kasamang bean sprout. Parang toge sa atin to sa Pilipinas. Tawag nila, ayan. Ayan, toge. Bean sprout. Bean sprout, in Thai word, tuwangong. Kahit pa paano nakakapag-Thai na rin tayo guys. Aloy na? Sobrang sarap ng Thai food guys, promise. Ubus na yung rice ko. Ayan guys, so I think I have to end my vlog. Tapos na rin akong kumain. So yan guys, sa mga nagbabalak pumunta dito sa Thailand, mag-holiday, yan. And you're looking for a very delicious Thai food, yan. Try nyo to. Stir-fried kale with crispy pork. Yeah, in Thai, it's kanamu krop rat cow. Pad kanamu krop rat cow. Sobrang sarap nito, guys. Yeah, and thank you so much for all the support, for supporting my social media pages, my Facebook page Jules Travel, my TikTok account Feeling Thailander, and my YouTube channel Kunjulay Channel. Yeah, so sobrang salamat guys sa inyong suporta. And yan guys, sa mga nagtatanong nga pala kung taga saan ako, guys, taga ako, taga Pangasinan. So yan, shout out sa aking kabarangay din sa Greenfields, Anolid, Mangaldan, Pangasinan. Yan, diyan ako lumaki guys. Greenfields, Barangay Greenfields, Anolid, Mangaldan, Pangasinan. And of course, shout out sa aking sister na si Sheila Elcano Agulto and Kuya Alvin. Yan, diyan sa San Rafael, Bulacan, Bangka. Yan, laging nanonood yung mga yan. So, siya po ng mga number 1 supporters ko. So, yan guys. We have to say bye-bye. I hope you guys enjoy my content. Yeah. So, another type po na naman ay feature ko dito sa aking YouTube, sa aking channel, sa aking page. Yan. So, this is Juice signing off. Bye!